Got a Miller Bobcat 225 NT, 8,000 watt. Believe it or not, there's only 70 hours on it. So it's been sitting a while. The guy evidently didn't use it, and the engine was shot, so I had to replace the engine with only 70 hours on it. I looked at the cylinder in the engine, it was scored. So evidently he didn't take care of it or ran it low on oil or something, I don't know. But I had to replace the engine on it. So evidently he took it apart, panels are missing, back panel, side panels. The only thing that was left was the hood, and all the interior, all that was there, but I can't explain why the engine was the way it was. But I took it all apart, pulled the gas tank, and cleaned it out, flushed it out, and painted it up a little bit inside and out. Made new panels for the sides and the back. I had a panel for the back. So it's good to go. It's running, it's welding, idles up in the high RPM, comes back down, welds, and outlets work for power. Everything's working, charges the battery. So it's a good machine again. So here we go to start it. Just idle down, strike an arc. Well, it's good. Needless to say, the guy that owned it died, so I don't know what else to say other than that, but that's why I didn't finish it up, I guess. But it's up for sale, ready to go.